Evening, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle in this edition of Tuesday. It's still Tuesday, July the 16th, 2024. I've already solved 2 puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 star Sudoku, so 2 puzzles remain. Jigsaw Sudoku and the binary. Yes, it's binary time. And this one will be number... Let me pull this up. 8910. Yes. 8910. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. 19 printed digits. It's a lot for a binary puzzle. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a column or in a row there are always 4 O's and 4 1's. Alright, so let's get started. There's a lot of double O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double O's, here one, there one. 4 1's we have here, so where's the O's? Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Now the double ones, here no, there no. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Then, come on, double one, here no, there no. Yeah. Between the ones comes an O. Well. Now I need to think. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we have 4 1's in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. And then no, between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. Alright. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. 1, 2, 3, 4 1's, so the rest are O's. Double 1, double O, here 1, there 1, 4 1's we have here, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 1's, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. Between the 1's comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1's. 4 1's we have here in the last column, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 1's, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. 1, 2, 3, 4 1's, so the rest are O's. And 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1's. Double check 1, 2, 3, 4, correct in 3 minutes. We solve it again without comparing. And I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle. The Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.